Removes coffee grease, protects against blockages and keeps brewing unit clean. Regular cleaning prolongs the life of your fully automatic coffee machine and improves the taste of your coffee. Recommended use, 1x a month. Also suitable for use in filter holders and thermos flasks. Keeps your Seiko or Philips fully automatic coffee machine brewing unit clean. The Philips Coffee Grease Remover tablets remove any coffee grease residue, while maintaining the optimal performance of your espresso machine for best results. Top reviews from the United States. Wow. Tablets are exactly as described and work great in my Philips 5400 Latte Go. The unbelievable thing about all of it is that BCUZ almost all Seiko, Philips super automatic espresso machines are designed and built in Europe. The cleaning tablets come from Nottingham in Great Britain. They arrived in Quebec 4 days after ordering them from Great Britain. That is crazy fast. Kudos to the company for such quick service. I recommend these if they are the right item for your super automatic espresso machine.